Your side hustle gets real the moment clients, payments, or your home address are attached to it. That is when a cool name stops being enough and the paperwork starts mattering. The biggest mistake first-time owners make is choosing the package that feels safest instead of the one that fits the business they actually have. This breakdown covers the best online legal services for forming your LLC, but the real filter is simple. What problem are you trying to avoid? If the problem is overspending too early, Inc. Authority is the lean move. It is built around $0 plus state fees, with LLC filing, name check, and first-year registered agent service included. That can make sense for freelancers, creators, consultants, local service providers, and side hustles that mainly need to become official. But lean only works if the add-ons do not take over. Websites, banking support, compliance alerts, faster processing, tax help, and extra documents can all sound urgent during setup. Some may help later. Not all of them matter today. One thing worth keeping on the radar is the operating agreement. Even when your state does not make you file it publicly, it is still the rulebook for your LLC, ownership, decisions, and how the business actually runs. If the problem is missing important steps, LegalZoom is the guided setup. Basic starts at $0 plus state filing fees, and that is mainly the filing lane. Pro costs $249 plus state fees, and that is where LegalZoom becomes more useful for a first-time owner who wants the core setup in one place. Operating agreement, EIN help, legal documents, e-signatures, and short-term attorney access. Premium costs $299 plus state fees, but do not treat it like the automatic upgrade. The main reason to consider it is bookkeeping. If invoices, expenses, mileage, and records are already moving, it may help. Also, LegalZoom's registered agent service is separate, so check the real total before judging the package price. If the problem is privacy, Northwest Registered Agent is the one that changes the conversation. This is especially important when the business starts at home. Northwest starts at $39 plus state fees, includes first-year registered agent service and list renewal at $125 per year. It also leans into business address tools, mail scanning, business email, a domain, a website, and a phone line. That does not make you invisible. State rules still matter, but it does put distance between you and the business. Quick tip, an EIN is free directly from the IRS. When a service helps with it, the charge is for convenience and not the number. And an LLC is not a trademark. The LLC makes the business official. The trademark protects the brand. If the setup is simple and you want to keep the starting cost low, Inc. Authority makes the most sense. Need more guidance? LegalZoom is the stronger choice. For home-based owners who care about privacy, Northwest is the one to look at. Before choosing, use the links below and price out the real total. Package, state fee, registered agent renewal, and add-ons. That is where a cheap setup can quietly stop being cheap. Every business is different, and for anything specific to your situation, a licensed professional is always worth it. But for the vast majority of first-time business owners, this is exactly what you need to know.